I've cracked the code on how to develop multiple income streams. In fact, we're going to talk about 12 income streams you can create as a writer, teacher, speaker, and coach. And this is something I'm really unveiling in my upcoming book, depending on when you're watching this, called Scale Your Income. And so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to help you unpack how you can make that multiple income stream business as a writer, teacher, speaker, or coach. So first of all, let's just identify that we've got 4 columns here that we're going to be talking about. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 bonus income streams that I absolutely love as well. And so we're going to be focusing on the lanes of writer, teacher, speaker, and coach. Then across the top here, we've got a mini offer. I'll explain what that is in just a second. A main offer, and then your max offer. Now, the mini offer column are income streams that you can sell before you create them. I talk about this in one of my books, Validate Your Offer. And the whole concept of this is that you could go test your ideas to see if there is a market before you spend time, money, resources, and wasted money in trying to build this business. And so these are the 4 income streams that I absolutely love, that I recommend that people start with. So if you're a writer, the first one you should consider is a low content book. It's a great place to start because you don't have to go through the process of writing the full book. You can write a journal, a workbook, a planner. You can get creative as to what your niche might be interested in and create this fairly quickly in the matter of days and have it up on Amazon. And as a writer, you get to experience what it's like to go through the process of self-publishing and launching a book out there. And then if it works well and you enjoy the process, you can move on, which we'll get to in just a second. But what about a teacher? If you have the heart of a teacher and you want to teach online, not in a classroom setting, but you want to teach for a living, what's a great place to start? And that's with a mini course. A mini course can be powerful because you can niche down to something very specific. Whereas the big A to Z courses, kind of big and bloated, and they take forever to create, you can get extremely niche focused. I'm talking 5 to 10 videos and put it out there for people to purchase. It's a great place for a teacher to start. What about a speaker? If you're a speaker, then you want to do a paid virtual workshop. Now, I love these, and I still use these in my business today. I do this about every 90 days. I will throw a topic out on social media and say, hey, I'm thinking about hosting a workshop about X. Now, what I do, instead of your traditional free webinars, I actually charge for this workshop. It's 2 to 3 hours. It's packed full of content, and you can charge anywhere from $15 on the low end to $100. But if you get 50, 75, or 100 signups, can you imagine? I mean, you can very easily make several $1,000s from something you started from scratch. And you know what's awesome about this is if no one is interested in it and you don't get any traction, then guess what? Just chalk it up that it's not the best topic. Choose another one a couple of weeks later, a month later, to do a workshop on that maybe gets more attention. So these mini offers help you to validate and earn money before you create the product. And then finally, if you're a coach, a perfect place to start is a 4-week group coaching program. So you put it out there on social media or an email and you say, hey, I'm thinking about taking a small group of people through a specific process to get a specific outcome. And first time I'm doing it, not going to charge a whole lot. Let me know if you're interested. And then you use that test group to learn about your market. Find out what it is that they want help with. What are their questions? And it's going to help you to develop that business further. And so there you go. There's 4 income streams: the low content book, the mini course, the paid workshop, and the 4-week group coaching. Now, before we get into the main offers, are you enjoying this content? Would you like for me to create more content like this? Let me know. In fact, hit the like button or even hit subscribe and let me know what you enjoy. You can comment below and even hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a new video comes out. All right, let's get back into it. Now the main offer column is kind of your standard offers. Once we've done some validating offers, the mini offers, we can move on. So how about a writer? What's a good place to start? I like a compact book. Now this is a term that I developed because compact books are smaller books. See this book right here? It is probably about 125 pages, around 35,000 words, which is different than a traditionally published book around 60,000 words. It's a great place to start creating a smaller compact book, yet still has lots of meat, lots of good information in it. And it's a perfect place for you to start, is to write the compact book. Okay, what about for a teacher? What is the main offer here? The main offer here is a flagship course. See, once you've done a mini course and you've gotten some sales, you could expand out your idea. You could get into this flagship course and create the bigger course. And now you have students or customers that you can sell the flagship course to. All right, what about for a speaker? Great place to start is set up your paid speaking page, right? Where people can go to your page and they can see what type of talks you have 3 to 5 potential talks that you could do. Maybe you put together a speaker reel if you have those, or pictures that you could add, and start setting up your ability to go out and get paid to speak. So that would be the main offer that I would consider as a speaker. Okay, what about for a coach? Well, perfect place to start is the one-on-one coaching. So the group coaching, small group coaching, is a great way to kind of get your feet wet and work with people on a specific thing. Then there's the opportunity for you to set up the Work With Me page. Now, I teach in my book, again, inside the Validate Your Offer book, how you can set this up. In fact, we even cover it in the Launch Your Platform book as well. I'll put the links below to these books, where you can set up to decide, do you want to get paid first or do you want to talk first? In other words, they can submit an opportunity to have a free discovery session with you, or you could just put your coaching packaging pricing out on your page. And either way, you can get that one-on-one coaching going. Now, a little pro tip here. What I love about the mini and main offers is that they can allow someone to upgrade, or you provide upsells. Let me show you how this could work. You do a 4-week group coaching, and then you come in and you say at the end of those 4 weeks, hey, I've got a couple spots open for one-on-one coaching. If you would like to continue your journey and continue your progress, then let's talk. And you could do all of these in different ways. These can all be mixed and matched together as well. In fact, in my upcoming book, depending on when you're watching this is the book 5 in the series, Scale Your Income. We're going to go way more in depth on all of these income streams, and I introduce 5 income stream models or scaling models where you can mix and match these different parts and pieces to formulate your own suite of products, which is a lot of fun. I can't wait for that book to come out. If you're watching this after it's out, you can go purchase it right away. And I'll have the links below. All right, let's talk about these max offers plus the 2 bonus income streams that I'm going to share. Okay, for a writer, a great max offer is a book series. In fact, that is exactly what I've been doing over the last 1.5 years. I am getting ready to release book 5, and I'm putting out one of these types of books in my series every 90 days. And what is it doing? Well, it's building my awareness on Amazon. It's bringing me new customers. They get value up front first, then they go get on my email list, and it just allows me to continue to build my business. Book series is a great way. Not only does it create awareness, but it's increased my monthly royalty income that's happening all on autopilot. It's a recurring income that's coming from the book series. All right, what about if you are a teacher? Well, a great one to use for your max offer, your higher level offer, is a membership site. Now, membership sites can range from $7 a month to $97 a month or more, but traditionally, these membership sites are an opportunity for you as a teacher to continue to find ways to add value. Now, you can do it in a way that's not overwhelming. I add about 2 things every month into my membership. I do a little mini course that's on something highly relevant that my audience wants to learn about. And then I host a coaching call where the whole group can come and we just learn from each other and ask questions. Membership site is something I've run for 10 years, and it can be great for producing that recurring income that really stabilizes your business. And I absolutely love membership sites. Okay, what about for speakers? What is the max income stream here? It's to host in-person events. Now, my very first in-person event that I did back in 2015 was a simple 15-person weekend workshop, but I did charge $5,000 for that workshop. It was easy to manage, it wasn't overwhelming, the logistics were simple. And then over the years, I've opened up and done bigger events in person, getting people in person, and both virtual can work as well. And so this can be a great opportunity for you as a speaker to just begin hosting your own events. Instead of waiting to go on someone else's platform, create opportunity for your own platform. Okay, and then for a coach, what is a max income stream model? And that is a coaching membership. Now, this is different than a membership site because it involves more of you. So you are going to roll up your sleeves and you're going to give a little bit more of your time. Now, it doesn't have to be overwhelming, but I typically will give about 2 hours a week where I'm available on Zoom for those in my coaching membership to go into a separate breakout room and get some very specific laser coaching. This is very different than what they can get with my lower priced membership site, and they get more access to me. So that's the biggest difference here. They also get more community, they get more courses, they get everything that I have inside of this coaching membership. And so you can see here how you can develop these over time. Do you have to do all 12 of these? Absolutely not. But the more that you stack on, the more income streams you create in your business and the more sustainability that you have. See, moving to this model and trying to continually create more income streams and push myself to grow in learning these different styles of income streams is what's allowed me to be in this business full time since 2011. And I want to encourage you that if you desire to write, teach, speak, or coach for a living, then you should also consider doing multiple income streams as well. Now, I want to get to the 2 bonuses because these don't really fit into the writer, teacher, speaker, coach, but I use them and I absolutely love them. The first one is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and services and you get a commission. And there's lots of different ways that you can earn affiliate marketing. You can earn it with a YouTube channel by reviewing products. You can review products on your blog. You can send emails out to your list. You can talk about them on your podcast. There's lots of ways to let people know about awesome tools and services and courses that you've benefited from that you can also earn commissions for when people join. And then the other bonus tip is advertising. Now with advertising, there's lots of ways we can do this, but essentially you are earning money from your free content. Whether that's having ads on your blog and you make money when people see those ads, or earning money from YouTube when people see ads and you are monetized and you earn money, showing ads or having ads on your podcast. There's lots of ways that you can earn money with your free content. In fact, I did a separate video that's all about 5 unique ways you can earn income with your free content. And if you're interested in that, then I want to encourage you to go check out that video that's popping up right here and go jump in to that video. We'll see you over there.